Hey, how are you? Welcome back.
Great, Chris. How you doing?
Oh, excellent. Great to see you.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm feeling today?
Let me guess.
A Negroni. A Negroni.
Every time I see you, you are Negronis.
I love a Negroni.
But today, I'm not going to give you a Negroni.
Why not?
I think you might enjoy this new cocktail that I just found out about. It's called the Negroni Sbaglito.
The Sbaglito.
Ever heard of it?
No.
Okay. So Sbaglito is an Italian word. It means mistaken. And a bartender at the Bar Basso Milan in 1972 made this drink by mistake. He was trying to create a Negroni, but he grabbed a ball of Prosecco instead of a ball of gin.
What?
It must have
The
been
guy must have been off his rocker.
It must have been a high volume bar. The Bar Basso was very busy, very popular. He was in a rush. He was in the weeds.
Yeah, well, I don't know about the story, but...
This mistake is still enjoyed all over the world today. It's a very common, popular cocktail.
Okay, well, I don't know if I buy the story. But you know what? I'll give the Negroni Sbaglito
Let's give it a shot.
a shot.
Let's make the Negroni Sbaglito. We're going to use Campari. 1 ounce. All built in the same glass, old-fashioned glass. 1 ounce. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. We use the Antica formula. It's a nice vanilla finish. It pairs very well with the Campari. 1 whole ounce. Now we're going to add ice to your old-fashioned glass. And then we're going to top off with the mistake, the Prosecco. Right to the top,
Yeah.
about 1 ounce. Then for a garnish, we're going to use the orange, like Negroni. Spritz it for the oils. We'll rub it, and we'll drop it. And then the final touch, cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
1 dash.
Whoa.
Oh.
That's a big dash.
This is the Negroni Sbaglito. Give it a shot, see what you think.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, what do you think?
Whoa. Domo arigato, Mr. Sbaglito.
Oh,
Not bad.
not bad for a mistake.
Pretty good. I don't know about the cinnamon.
Okay.
If I do it again, I might stay away from the cinnamon.
Omit
But I
cinnamon.
like the Prosecco. It's nice. It's light.
Okay.
You know, you get the bitterness. It's like the Negroni, but
It's a light Negroni.
it's a light Negroni.
And for people that don't like the bitterness of the Campari,
Yeah, you got the.
you can always tone it down. You can use more Prosecco if you'd like.
Yeah, I guess so.
So you can always tweak this cocktail.
Sure.
Well, something new for you. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like this cocktail, subscribe for many more cocktails, and you can follow me on Instagram at the Blue Claw Bartender. Thank you, Mr. Negroni.
Thank you,
I love
Chris.
you. I'll see you next time.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.